Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 4. I appreciate all the effort that you have put into the Web 2.0's projects. There have been some really interesting tools shared so far. Remember that the sample product is to be one that you create. One of the goals of this assignment is to really get to know the tool. You are welcome to link to a product you created previously, or that students in your class created under your direction. Remember, in Part 2, by the end of Sunday, you are also to comment in the notes section of your group member slides, providing your opinion of the relative strengths and weaknesses of the tool selected. This week goes into even more depth about engaging students in the online environment. Collaboration is one way to engage students, but meaningful discussions are the meat and potatoes of online discourse. Through this week's readings and video selections, you will learn more about building community and what that means for both teacher to student and student to student interactions. Your first assignment this week is a discussion of how you see community growing in your own online or blended course. This week's discussion is in VoiceThread, rather than the traditional discourse forum, to give you some experience with a different tool. Please consider using both text and voice for your responses, and be sure to use your name on your account so that I'm able to tell who's contributed what. You'll see more directions on how to use VoiceThread back in our haiku site. Your portfolio assignment this week is to create your own discussion prompt. The one key thing to remember is that a quality discussion prompt has multiple correct answers and requires students to think deeply about a topic and/or their own position. The new Common Core State Standards require students to defend a position starting in 3rd grade. Discussion forums can be a great tool for students to get practice with this sort of debate. Be sure to include guidelines for how to participate and some sort of grading scale or criteria that students know how to be successful. Finally, this week your reflection deals with your own social and professional networks and relates to how students learn. This can be a fun way to really analyze where you get information from and to think about how to help students be explicit about their own information gathering strategies. With that, have a great week, and I'll see you online.